We'll guide you through how to get a refund from the Google Play Store. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you accidentally purchased something, or there's another reason why you want to try doing this. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead, as otherwise you may miss an important part of this. Now, in some circumstances, you can get a refund, in some you can't, but it's worth trying with this guide. We'll guide you through some different ways you can try doing it. To get started, open the Play Store. When you're in the Play Store, what you want to do is go and head to the top right and you can go and find your profile icon and tap there. This will open up this menu. You want to go down and find Payments and Subscriptions and go and tap that there. Then what you need to do is go and find Budget and History, and you need to go and tap there like so. Wait for it to load. Now you can go and find your purchase history. So you can go and see I made a purchase here. We can tap on it, and there we've got the option for refund. So we can go and tap on it. It says, are you sure that you want to refund this purchase? I can go and press yes. So you can go and try doing it this way. If you don't have the option there, it's still worth trying the next method. What you can do is go and open up Chrome or another browser. What you want to do is we're going to go and search for Google Play Store refund. Then what you can do is find request your Google Play refund. We can go and scroll down here and press continue. Confirm the account, that's correct. Now it's going to go and find a purchase we can try doing this with. I'll select this one here. Give a refund. Give a reason for the refund and press continue. Then you can go down and press request refund. Now you can go and wait in case it was successfully approved and we went and got a refund. So that's it. That's how it can be done.